Anderson picks him up. Pockets hits. Second chance effort. And more. Hits to take it away on the assist by Lewis.
Yeah, hello? Alright, I'm on my way. Fads. This little gadget is considered a fad of today's world. A fad is an intense and widely shared enthusiasm for something, especially one that is short-lived. Americans are obsessed with adopting new trends that within a few years die off and become completely forgotten. Fads help define what Americans considered important enough to stay or what becomes irrelevant and must die off. Done, son. In the 1990s, it was all about plush toys, Pokemon cards, and Power Rangers. In other words, America was obsessed with toys, but as we move into the 2000s, we see a dramatic increase in Americans interested in technology. To be more specific, the first generation iPod, introduced in 2001 by the Apple Company, changed the course of American interest forever. People became more open-minded about these new tiny computers that played music, videos, and featured mini-games. Although iPods were huge in the 2000s to 2010 era, they eventually fell into the forgotten abyss, which categorized them as fads of the time. What's important about the iPod is not the attention and popularity it gained in that period, but rather how it affected the want for better technology and all the many doors it opened for technology to be developed and eventually transformed into the much more sophisticated technology we use today, such as our smartphones.